Good afternoon, everybody. The purpose of this announcement is an exceptional situation, which is the written test for the DEVCO competition. Obviously, the insiders know what we are talking about. They are the version 1 and version 2 of the written exam. They were just published, some days ago. And now we are in the opportunity to discuss, analyze these documents, right? So this is the training that I am proposing for next Monday, which is a training in which we have 3 main moments. Number 1, we analyze these 2 versions in order to be sure that we understood at the detail, at the level of the detail, what is the information that the file has. So this was the number 1. Number 2, based on this analysis, we are going to design or conceive or extrapolate into possible assignments, which is, let's say, a brainstorming exercise. And the step number 3, then, based on these assignments, we are going to let's say, deliver or to do or to execute or to implement or to, the draft these assignments. And with all that said, you have a very strong basis for later on to practice and in this way to be ready for your exam, the written exam on DEVCO on the 9th of September. So see you soon and thank you very much.